Hi, everybody. I am here with Natalie Gomez of AM Construction and Design. She is one of my friends. I recently met her in the business and wanted to introduce her to you. Natalie, welcome to the show.
Thank you. I really appreciate being here today.
Yeah. Natalie has an interesting story. You know how we all have stereotypes, and we think of people in business in certain career fields and things. But Natalie, as I said, is in AM Construction and Design, and one of your passions is carpentry.
Yes.
Yeah. So tell us how that all came about.
Well, I've always been intrigued by just pretty much homemade furniture, from just coffee tables, entry tables, things like that. I wasn't really taught in a perspective. I kind of did everything learning myself. I went on to just building things for my own home. I've always been a very handy kind of person. I enjoy doing, putting together furniture from IKEA, like stuff like that. Like the average person that hates looking at instructions, I loved it. So that's how I pretty much got into it. I learned a lot of the hands-on with taking care of things and doing stuff myself through my mother. She was a very hands-on type of person. So just generally falling in love with construction and the work behind it that comes with it. Yeah.
You told me a little bit about your mother's background. She
Yes.
had a very diverse background.
Yes, absolutely. She studied cosmetology in high school. She owned her chain of salons by the age of 22. And, through obstacles of life and things we go through, the challenges, she became, she was a mother. So she had 7 kids, 6 girls and 1 boy, and joined different various types of the work industry. She became a welder, graduated Texas A&M. And she did welding for a few years, went back to cosmetology. She was an insurance agent for Farmers Insurance.
Awesome.
Yeah, she's done pretty much, she was the jack of all trades.
Right.
And I think that's where I learned a lot of my things today. I love to just remember the things that I used to see her doing. So it always gave me the motivation, I can pretty much do it too.
Yeah,
so I don't always have that attitude. I can do it too.
I love it. And you were telling me a little bit about some of the projects you've been working at your own home.
Yes.
Yeah.
I've done flooring replacement for family members. I've painted the interior of my own home. I built an entry table for the inside of my home, a coffee table. I'm currently about to get started on a farm table, dining room set. So I plan on building a 6-foot by 4-foot farm table and kind of doing a more modern look with the bench, and then just add 2 end chairs. But like I said, I've seen what they cost in the store, and I'm like, I can actually do that at home with more solid wood.
Yes, quality, real
quality.
wood.
There you go, quality.
Well, I love the creativity, and for those of us that are in the entrepreneurial world,
Yes.
That's one of the beauties of being in entrepreneurial world, is that we get to be very creative and finding solutions for our clients.
Yes.
So what kind of clients are you currently looking for, working with? Kind of what is your sweet spot?
We work with a lot of, unfortunately, due to the freeze here in Houston in February, we're still dealing with a lot of clients that are going through, repairing their drywall, retexturing their wall painting, replacing a lot of baseboards. But I enjoy working with doing all that. But my general goal is to get into more full remodels. As for redoing bathrooms and kitchens and the whole 9 yards, from a gut out to a remodel. And then hopefully in due time, we'll be able to progress into becoming a home builder, because that's always been my general goal, is to be a home builder, to purchase a lot, to, either divide it into acreage or square footage and build a home custom to, to not my likings, but what's out there, what's requested. I'm a homeowner. And I remember the building process of my home.
Right.
And I remember going through, picking from the tile to the floor, to the carpet, the padding of the carpet. And I remember the things that are missing with the builders. Like the master's great, but the kitchen's small. And, and it's kind of like, as a consumer that I am, and that I once was as buying a home, I kind of already know what people are looking for when they walk through a door. So I always felt like I can jump on board as a builder and be able to give all aspects of the priorities of a future homeowner to kind of find either their forever home or a home that they would always want to keep. So, kind of that's what I'm looking for. And that's kind of the initial goal we're trying to aim for.
I love it. I love it. I love your story. And, I would say for those of you out there that are in need of some home remodeling, some home repair, things of that nature, I would definitely give Natalie Gomez a call, AM Construction and Design. How do people get in touch with you?
They can contact me directly. I do answer the phone, so which our number is 346-978-1197. Or you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, which is AM Construction and Design. You can kind of get a feel of what we're doing, and we're going to be uploading more content of finished projects that we're wrapping up lately, as well as starting.
Perfect.
So they'll be able to get a visual. We also have a website. It's still under maintenance, but you can kind of get a visual of what we're doing through there, kind of see the services that we offer, which is amconstructionanddesignTX.com. So you can contact us through there and just kind of, reach out to us, and we'll be glad to, come out and see what projects you need done or completed and give you an estimate.
I love it, and I look forward to working
Yes,
with you
absolutely, Cesar.
on
Thank you.
the fix and flip
There
projects
you go.
in the
Yes.
future.
Investment. There you
Yes,
go.
all
Yes.
right.
We're excited.
Thank you for being here.
Yes, thank
and
you.
Give Natalie a call today.
Yes,
All right.
thank you.
Bye-bye.